This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. All narration is original and AI generated. This content does not promote violence or conflict. The CH-53K King Stallion is discussed from an aviation, engineering, and technological perspective. Imagine a helicopter so powerful that it can lift more weight than some cargo airplanes. A helicopter designed not just for today's missions, but for challenges that don't even exist yet. This is not a concept aircraft. This is not a prototype. This is the CH-53K King Stallion, the most powerful helicopter ever built for the United States. But the real story of the King Stallion is not just about strength. It is about engineering intelligence, future-ready design, and unmatched reliability. Today, we explore how the CH-53K became the backbone of next-generation heavy-lift aviation. Why a new helicopter was needed. Before the CH-53K, the United States relied heavily on earlier CH-53 variants. Those helicopters served well for decades. But aviation does not stand still. Over time, equipment became heavier, missions became longer, environments became harsher. Older platforms were reaching their limits. The requirement was clear: lift more, fly farther, operate smarter, reduce maintenance burden. The solution was not a simple upgrade. A completely new helicopter was required. Birth of the King Stallion. Sikorsky was tasked with designing a helicopter that could dominate the heavy lift category for decades. From the first design phase, engineers focused on future-proofing. The CH-53K was not built for one mission profile. It was built as a platform. Every major component was redesigned: airframe, engines, rotor system, avionics, materials. Nothing was copied blindly from older models. Engine power, a new class. At the heart of the CH-53K are 3 advanced engines. These engines are among the most powerful ever installed on a helicopter. They provide massive lift capability, improved fuel efficiency, better performance in hot and high conditions. This allows the King Stallion to carry external loads exceeding 36,000 pounds. That is a game-changing number in rotary wing aviation. Advanced rotor system. Power alone is useless without control. The CH-53K features a new composite rotor system. These blades are lighter, stronger, more aerodynamic. Composite materials reduce fatigue and improve durability. This rotor design improves lift while reducing vibration, like a major advantage for long missions. Fly-by-wire technology. One of the most important upgrades in the CH-53K is fly-by-wire control. This means pilot inputs are processed digitally. Computers assist with stability. Workload is reduced. Despite its size, the CH-53K feels precise and controlled. Technology helps pilots focus on the mission, not on fighting the aircraft. Next-gen cockpit. The cockpit of the King Stallion represents a major leap forward. It features large digital displays, integrated flight information, simplified system management. Pilots can access critical data quickly without distraction. This modern interface improves safety and situational awareness. AIR frame and material innovation. The CH-53K uses advanced materials throughout its structure. These materials offer high strength, reduced weight, better corrosion resistance. This is especially important for operations near the sea. The result is a helicopter that lasts longer with less maintenance. Operating in extreme environments. The King Stallion was designed to operate where others struggle. It performs reliably in extreme heat, high altitude, cold climates, coastal environments. This flexibility allows one helicopter type to support global operations. Few aircraft can claim this level of adaptability. Heavy lift role redefined. The true identity of the CH-53K is revealed when it lifts cargo. It can transport vehicles, heavy equipment, large supplies, both internally and externally. Its cargo handling systems allow precise control even with massive loads. This makes it a flying logistics platform. Pilot experience and trust. Despite its power, pilots describe the CH-53K as predictable and stable. This trust is critical. Heavy lift missions leave little room for error. The King Stallion supports pilots rather than overwhelming them. Maintenance and smart design. One major goal of the CH-53K program was reduced maintenance. Smart diagnostics monitor aircraft health in real time. Maintenance crews can identify issues early, reduce downtime, improve availability. This saves time and cost over the helicopter's lifetime. Why the CH-53K is future-ready. The King Stallion was designed with growth in mind. Its systems allow software upgrades, new sensor integration, future mission adaptation. This ensures relevance for decades. Power management and efficiency. The CH-53K is not just powerful, it is intelligently powerful. Advanced systems constantly balance engine output, rotor demand, environmental conditions. Instead of wasting energy, the helicopter uses power only where it is needed. This improves fuel efficiency, component lifespan, mission reliability. Efficiency at this scale is a major engineering achievement. Digital flight control system. The fly-by-wire system does more than assist pilots. It actively smooths control inputs, prevents overstress, maintains stability during heavy lifts. When carrying massive external loads, even small movements matter. The CH-53K's computers continuously make micro-adjustments, keeping the aircraft balanced and predictable. This reduces pilot workload dramatically. External load handling precision. Heavy-lift helicopters live or die by their ability to control external cargo. The King Stallion excels here. Its systems allow stable hover with extreme weight, precise placement of cargo, smooth transitions during lift and release. This precision makes it ideal for logistics, construction support, and recovery operations. It is not just about lifting, it is about placing accurately. Landing in challenging zones. Many missions require landing in areas that are far from perfect. The CH-53K was built for uneven terrain, limited landing zones, remote environments. Its landing gear and flight controls work together to absorb stress and maintain balance. This allows safe operations where other aircraft simply cannot land. Operational flexibility worldwide. The King Stallion was designed with global operations in mind. It performs reliably in hot desert climates, high-altitude regions, cold and icy environments, coastal and maritime zones. Environmental adaptability reduces the need for multiple specialized aircraft. One platform can handle many roles. Maintenance revolution. A major weakness of older heavy helicopters was maintenance burden. The CH-53K addresses this directly. Smart systems. Monitor component health. Predict maintenance needs. Alert crews before failures occur. This approach transforms maintenance from reactive to proactive. The result? Higher availability, lower long-term cost, better mission readiness, crew coordination, and human factor. Despite its advanced automation, the CH-53K was designed around human operators. Cockpit layout, displays, and controls support. Clear decision-making. Reduced fatigue. Improved situational awareness. The helicopter works with the crew, not against them. Designed for growth. Unlike older helicopters, the King Stallion was created as a digital platform. This allows software-based upgrades, integration of new systems, future mission adaptation. Instead of replacing hardware, many improvements can be delivered digitally. This keeps the aircraft modern without major redesigns. Networked aviation. Modern aviation is no longer isolated. The CH-53K is designed to operate as part of a connected ecosystem. It can share data with other aircraft, ground systems, command and logistics networks. This improves coordination and efficiency across large operations. Information moves as smoothly as cargo. Strategic logistics role. Heavy lift aviation plays a critical role in strategic planning. The King Stallion enables rapid transport of heavy equipment, support for remote operations, faster response to unexpected challenges. Logistics decide outcomes long before operations begin. The CH-53K strengthens that foundation. Humanitarian and support missions. Beyond military logistics, the CH-53K has clear humanitarian value. Its lift capacity allows transport of relief supplies, movement of large equipment, support for disaster response. When infrastructure is damaged, airlift becomes essential. The King Stallion brings strength where roads cannot. Long-term service life. Thanks to advanced materials and smart maintenance design, The CH-53K is expected to serve for decades. Reduced corrosion, structural fatigue monitoring, and modular components all extend lifespan. This makes it a long-term investment rather than a short-term solution. A new standard in heavy-lift aviation, the CH-53K does more than replace older helicopters. It sets a new benchmark. Future heavy-lift aircraft will be measured against its power, its efficiency, its digital integration. Few aircraft achieve this level of influence. Why the King Stallion matters. The CH-53K is not about speed or spectacle. It is about reliability, capability, preparedness. It represents a shift towards smarter, more sustainable aviation.